Hey, what it do? It's flawless. I'm finna drop my 16 bar challenge for y'all. You know, so much smoke in the air, man. Why you choking on tobacco? My blunt strong enough to tackle a damn linebacker from the Green Bay Packers, man. There's so much smoke, even pros gonna choke. Man, I love the smell of weed. I need to buy it in some soap. Hold on, that shit my cologne. $20 Newports, but they don't sell them at the store. I just smoke them with your hoe, and we ain't talking coke. When we say we smoking dope, swear to God I'm Nike down like mannequins at Nike Town. She took the bottle, drunk it down. Your bitch wants some now. Some call it Kush, then some call it Perp. Some don't know no fucking names, they just know they want to smoke. I don't know her fucking name, I just know I want to poke. Like a kid at the store, begging mama, she say no. I love green, I love money, I love the grass and how it grow. I love that gas and how it blow out through my nose and make me choke. I'm finna choke a bitch if I can't find another blunt to smoke. What you choking on? What you smoking on? What you looking at? What you so focused on? See, we rollin' long, we only rollin' strong. And this shit gonna get you hot even if you roll it wrong. It got me so attached, and I'm just holding on. I got a whole zone to smoking with a yellow bone. Smoke everywhere. I need to pull a chair. I'm about to pass out. All the weed ash now. Niggas trying to cash out. They gon' crash out. You smoke some gas now, but your car ain't got no gas now.